Thank you for purchasing your new floor covering from Metro Flooring Contractors. We're excited to work with you on your new installation. Before our team arrives, there's a few things you need to know that can help you prepare for the installation. First, take some time to remove small items like lamps, plants, and TVs out of the area that will be worked on. Our installers cannot be responsible for moving these items. When moving your items, keep in mind that adjacent areas and rooms beneath the room should also be prepared. This is because our work requires hammering, and items may be affected by hammer vibrations. Vibrations may also occur during our demolition phase. When talking about demolition, it's important to understand that there may be some temporary inconvenience in your home. This can include noise, dust, nail pops, and some vapors. Additional charges may apply if the removal of the existing floor reveals that the subfloor needs additional repair and/or replacement. If we discover an additional layer of flooring underneath the floor being taken up, there will be an additional cost. You will be notified before the installer performs any repairs and informed of the cost. You have the right to have Metro Flooring Contractors perform the additional repairs needed, to use a different contractor, or to cancel the order. However, there may be a fee for the labor of the floor already taken up. Once installation begins, it's important to understand that some of our operations may create an unusual amount of dust or dirt. Although we will always attempt to keep this at a minimum, please be prepared to remove fine dust that may accumulate. In order to keep children and pets safe during installation, please keep them in another part of the house while we are working. If you currently have shoe mold, we will replace it. This must be priced and ordered in advance of your installation. Once your job is completed, please plan on doing some touch-up painting. While our installers are as careful as possible, this will almost always be required after installation. It's likely that doors will need to be cut following the installation as well. If we are cutting any doors, there will always be an additional charge for this. Once your floor is officially installed, we want you to be completely satisfied, but it should be noted that we cannot guarantee invisible seams. You can walk on most of the floors that we install as soon as we finish the installation. When in doubt, ask your installer before you walk on your new floor. If you hear squeaks after installation, they are most likely caused by movement of your subfloor. While we will do everything possible to eliminate the squeak, we cannot guarantee the total removal of that sound. If you experience any warranty-related problems after installation, please report them to our office. We will set up a service repair or replace the flooring. Thank you again for selecting Metro Flooring Contractors. Please call if you have any questions regarding your preparation for your installation.